Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and my tutorial about using Microsoft Word 2013. For our second lesson, I will teach you how to work with text. Now today, I will demonstrate to you how to identify the text element of Microsoft Word, modify and format text by changing the font style, size, and color, locate the font group commands, determine how to insert subscript and superscript, apply changes in Lettercase. Typing, formatting, and text enhancements are skills required when working with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has a default font, size, and color. However, you can modify after you have finished or while working on your document. In order for you to change or modify your text, you should select or highlight it first. There are three ways of highlighting text. Now first, click the mouse at the start of the text and drag the mouse and release it at the end of the text. Now the second way is double-click to highlight a word. Double-click the text to highlight a word. Now, the next one is triple-click to highlight the whole sentences. So if you want to highlight the whole sentences, triple-click it there. Now, how to set the font, style, size, and color. Font is a character in a specific phase, style, and size. Font style may be changed to regular, italic, bold, with underlining or combination of style. Font size may be increased or decreased. To change the font, go to Home tab. On the font group, click the font icon drop-down arrow and select the font that you want. Now you may change also the font size. Click the font size drop-down arrow and select the size for your text. You may also change the style of the font in bold, italic, and underline. Now, if you want to deselect the style, click it again. Make sure the text is highlighted. Click it again, the italic, and the boldface. Now let's say you want to color or change the color of this text. Now to change the color of this text, go to Home and look for the font group. Now click the font color drop-down icon. Here's the font color. And then select the font color that you want. Now, how to use highlight color for emphasis. Colors and patterns provide visual interest and emphasis on the text or indicate important data. Now, to use highlight color, highlight the text. Let's say computer. On the ribbon, go to Home tab and go to the font group again. Click the text highlight color, drop down arrow, and select the highlight color you prefer. Now, how to insert superscript and subscript in your document. Superscript is character placed above a character line, and a subscript is placed below the character line. Now, to use the subscript, for example, in H2O, 2 must be in subscript form. To use subscript for 2, make sure you highlight it first, go to Home tab, and then on the font group, click the subscript, and then click the command here. There. So you have now the subscript. Now for the superscript, let's say you want this 2 and 3 placed above the line. First, you have to highlight it, go to Insert tab, look for Superscript, and click the command. Now for number 3, highlight it again on Home tab. On the font group, click the Superscript. Now, how to change the text from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Now, let's say for example, we want to put all this text in uppercase. Now, make sure you highlight it, go to Home tab. Now, on the font group, click this Change Case command, click the drop-down menu, and then you select uppercase. Then the highlighted text will be changed into uppercase. Now, if you want to change your text into lowercase, you have to follow the same procedure. Click the Change Case command, the drop-down menu, and select the lowercase. Now, how to insert a drop cap in your document. A drop cap is a large uppercase or capital letter that highlights the beginning text of the document. Now, to insert drop cap, now make sure you highlight the text, go to Insert tab. Now, on the text group, click drop cap, and you select the drop cap style you want to apply. There. So you have now the large uppercase capital letter at the beginning of the document. Now, how to add text effect in your text. Now, you can add different kinds of effects on your text to emphasize or decorate the headings or important parts of your document. Now, first, you highlight the text. On the ribbon, go to Home tab and go to the font group. Now, click the Text Effects and Typography button. Click the drop-down menu and select from the drop-down list of options. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.